scale insect and how to control it. So there are more than 25 different varieties or species rather of scale insects. Oh, let me start again. Okay. So scale insects and how to control it. There are over 25 different species of scale insects affecting plants in the UK today. Not all of them are detrimental to the plant, so in a garden setting it may not actually really be necessary to control it. In a nursery setting, however, we don't really want to send out plants with scale insect on, so we routinely go through the polytunnels and check. The scale insect affects lots of different varieties of ornamental plants, Magnolias, rhododendrons in particular. Here we have a lovely magnolia that has some adult scale insect on it. So as you can see, there are these little brown bumps on the stem, and they essentially look like little limpets growing on the side of the magnolia there. These are the adult scale. What the adult scales have adapted to is producing this wonderful sort of waxy, tough outer shell, which protects them actually from many different types of insecticides. Insecticides only work on the young nymphs that haven't got this hard outer shell. The best way of getting rid of scale is essentially just kind of pulling it off. It's a bit of a gross job. When you do that, you see underneath that they are all the little eggs. So the adults have this tough outer shell and they protect the young eggs, which are the white eggs underneath like that. And either put them in a bucket and just kind of destroy them and just pick them off. In a garden setting, there are lots of beneficial insects that eat scale. For example, ladybirds, and so there are lots of predators that will actually keep the scale population under control.